But where I've seen property managers fail and I've seen landlords suffer, so much of this industry, property managers are a one-man band. They think that they can do it themselves. That means that they're screening tenants, they're wrangling repairs, they're trying to get toilets cleaned, they're trying to attract applicants, maybe on Craigslist or something. The incoming applications are overwhelming, so bad decisions get made as to who goes in, and then the rent doesn't get collected, and it becomes a death spiral, sadly. The only reason we're able to keep it straight is because we have one person in charge of owners, one person in charge of tenants, one person in charge of money. Our typical team in a ROOST office includes a property manager who works primarily with the owners, a tenant relations specialist who is also a licensed property manager, and then we always have a third person who's more of an admin assistant or receptionist that supports the two property managers. As far as out in the field, I think we're at 7 full-time maintenance employees that are W-2 employees of our company to do repairs in occupied homes. And we've probably got, my gosh, 3 or 4 dozen 1099 maintenance people who take care of properties between tenants for our owners.